In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build backlinks. And the interesting fact of the matter that we had discussed in logic behind SEO chapter is that backlinks are not built, they are earned. Remember my words, backlinks are not built, they are earned. This is the off-page SEO, and off-page SEO is done by the users, and it is all based on the quality. So to create backlink, we will leverage all these medium. Facebook is a very vital medium. If your content is great and if it is shared by a lot of users, and also the fact that you have a Facebook page and you share the link there, so then Google knows that you are serious and it will reward you as per that. But if a lot of users share, then Google will recognize a lot of traffic is coming from Facebook, and this is an authentic website, so it will rank you higher. And another medium is Google Plus. Since Google Plus is owned by Google, a lot of interaction here would really add you value. And remember, it has to be organic. Don't try to trick Google, because with one algorithm update, your all ranking can really go down. And the next one again you can leverage is Google Business. You can register yourself to be on Google Business. It just requires a couple of minutes to register yourself on Google Business, Google Maps. So that is a simple process. But the thing is, it will really reward you if you really have a genuine subscriber base. And then comes LinkedIn. You should regularly post on LinkedIn, write blogs and post on LinkedIn, interact with fellow influencers, tag people. LinkedIn algorithm is such that if you tag a big influencer, all his contacts can see that he is being tagged and there is some content. And if your content is worthy, you will be rewarded definitely with a huge inbound traffic, and that will be very beneficial. Same goes on with Twitter. And with Quora, Quora is a very powerful instrument, believe me. If you regularly write on Quora and give the link to your website, then you will have a lot to gain. Good content on Quora always works out. Instagram is also a great medium if your target audience is 18 to 30 kind of, because Instagram has a lot of young followers. Another great thing would be to write blogs and optimize it with right meta title and right meta description, and distribute it to right audience, so that Google recognizes that yes, your content is really good and is being recognized by people. That will really pay you in terms of better Google ranking. And another that is very important, being covered by niche websites, those websites which have been there for long and which have a high domain authority. So what is domain authority? Domain authority is basically a rating between 0 to 100. The higher your rating is, the better it is. .edu or some blogs which have been there for long or which rank higher have a very high domain authority. Even if you get 5 or 10 backlinks from websites which have high domain authority, believe me, Google will recognize that you are being recognized by websites that are really popular. Hence, your content is really praiseworthy. Hence, Google will pay you for this and it will give you higher ranking. And apart from this, the important point to consider is more than you doing all these activities, if your users share and promote, believe me, there is nothing better than this organic type of search engine optimization. The users are your real SEO. This is a very tough thing for so many so called SEO experts who won't agree to this, but this is the most important thing. Google will only love you when people love you. Always remember this, and this is the key how you build smart backlinks. There is no better substitute than good content.